Alright guys, we're putting up the holiday decorations and I just thought I'd jump on here and chat with you for a little bit. Kind of let you know what we've been doing and what we've got planned and what's going to be coming up because it's really exciting. We're experimenting with a lot of stuff. It's going to be a lot of fun. Cheap, affordable ways, easy ways to do hydroponics, to grow your own food. We're still working on the organic stuff. Lots of questions in that, and I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know. One, you notice this is like landscape, right? Little wide video, and you've been seeing vertical, and that upset some of y'all. But the reason is that when I get on social media and I talk to y'all about reaching people and connecting with people, and we're wanting people to learn how to grow their own food, that this isn't just about me and growing a channel and being a YouTuber. This is about reach and using the internet as a tool to connect with people. I've also told you that when you do it, if you guys ever do try to do this and grow your reach, is that when something works, you lean into it. This past year, Facebook started working again. I think it was Reels around February. I posted a couple of videos and they did really well. And then it just got traction. And I just kept on and on with that. When I took the Reels, which is the vertical video, I don't really care for those. And I know a lot of you don't either because, you know, our focus, you know, you have to really, it's a lot easier doing a video like this, right? And then all of a sudden our field of view is like this. So you got to really pay attention so that you don't like take this video and squish it down, right? So I started working on vertical video. And even though I don't like it, it's what worked. So it gets out there, it expands your reach, and Facebook, we got up to over 1 million followers now. Then I could take those videos too, because I was filming in a vertical format, and I could cut a video for TikTok. And we've got hundreds of thousands of people over there, and I could cut a video for Instagram, and I could put stuff on Pinterest and just all over the place, right? So that's what was working. And then I kind of ran out of time for YouTube, so I was taking the vertical videos and just putting them over here. And a lot of people, if it just went in the shorts feed, they really didn't see it. So I took the vertical videos and mashed them up, and you guys probably noticed that. And that's the reason why I've been doing that. And it's because this isn't just about me growing this channel, this is expanding our reach. And that's what was working. So that worked tremendously well last year. And I'm just humbled by, you know, just all the people I met. You know, this is about helping people. And then, like I said, just when we were over here, you know, people were messaging me or sending me emails, it's gotten like 10 times as much with expanding with Facebook and Instagram and TikTok and all these other platforms. So what we've been preaching on this channel for 5 years or something is really coming into play right now, and you can really see it happening. So I'm humbled by all of it. I just enjoy helping people. I'm not like over the hill in love with gardening and getting out there and just getting my hands dirty and playing in the yard all day. I'm more interested in helping people, and lots of people need help growing food, and it's something that I did, and I learned how to do it, and I learned how to share it. So that really is what I'm more focused on, is growing a reach and seeing how many people we can help in this world. So I haven't abandoned you guys, and I'm going to be putting more videos up over here. And just like this one, it's landscape. You might be getting more vertical videos because if I do film and I do something that I think is important, I'm going to put it over here too. But I'll come on here and try to make more videos for you guys. I'm going to try to get caught up with everything and try to get ahead of the game. I've got more family members helping. Keely's got her stuff too. That kept us a little busy. She does her arts and crafts and murals and that, if you guys have been with us for any length of time. And during all of this, when this was happening, she said, I want to go ahead and complete the set. You guys know we've had this back wall, right, the steampunk. She said, I want to complete it. So we've got like 360 here, and we'll do that for y'all one day. But she said this was storage, and she said, I want a fireplace. And I was like, what? This is our garage, right? It's a single car garage. It's only about this wide. And this thing's made out of styrofoam. There's storage behind of it. It comes apart. It's really cool. And that just came out of her brain, and we just kind of just put it together. So we were working on that. She's got a buffet over here. We've got a safe we got to fix, and it's just really wild. So we've got all of that going on, and I really want to get Keely going on her channels and that too, and spend a little more time with her, because that was her love. That's what she loved to do. That's what made our living for decades. So to all of a sudden, you know, just stop that and just going on the gardening is a little disheartening for her, because she just loves her art. She loves to do it. She loves to share it. So I'm going to help her do that. In addition to the gardening, in addition to all the other platforms and you guys here. So lots going on. The organic stuff real quick before we go. I'm still working on stuff. It works. I haven't found one to work exactly for the hydroponics yet, because spring's coming up and people keep asking me and messaging me. This is patience. This is experimenting. Nobody's really doing it with the cracky system right now. You can do it with aeration and everything, but there's a whole lot that goes into it, and I haven't really found a way to do it cheap and easy. And it's letting stuff sit and ferment and doing it naturally. You know, with the hydroponics, if we're using synthetic fertilizers, it's easy. Order off Amazon. In a couple days, it's at your doorstep. You mix it up, stick it in there, and your plants are growing, right? Now with the organic stuff, and if you want to do it, composting, biochar, all the stuff like all the other organic gardeners are doing, it takes a while. So I'm working on that, and if I come up with something that's just a copy of what somebody else does, I don't need to make videos or share it. I can just point you guys in the right direction, right? So the only thing I'm going to come out with is if I figure out something that nobody else has done. Otherwise, if somebody asks me, I'll just say, go watch so-and-so or go look at this video, because the information's out there. There's no need for me to repeat it. But I'm working on it. I'm trying to figure something out, and that's just part of the fun. So it's not about just doing something and making a video to get views and that. It's trying to figure something out. And if it's going to help people, I'm going to share it. And if if I don't figure it out, you know, I'll tell you I messed up and I didn't do it. But, you know, the journey is part of the fun. So that's what this whole year has been. Facebook has just been bonkers. Like I said, over 1 million followers and that. Engagement. I could full-time just sit at the computer and answer comments and DMs and emails and everything as they come in. I just don't have time, and that's been kind of melancholy or bittersweet, is because you want that to happen. You want, you know, the engagement. You want to help people. You love hearing all of this stuff, but at some point you can't do it all, because if you sit there and just do that, then you're not out there growing something and experimenting with things or helping my wife with her work. So we've got a lot of stuff to do, and we've got a lot of people to reach, and like I said, the internet's just a fantastic tool. This is the greatest time in history, through all of history. This is the easiest and the best time that we have to reach out, connect with other people, and we can use these tools to do good. And I've just seen more and more and more of it this past year, that it just makes me want to cry. So lots more coming this year. Like I said, if you guys have stuck with me for a couple of years and you've been through this, there's more of it coming. It's just we're kind of going through a little change, because the reach is growing, and we're on more platforms. But if you guys need me, you know where to find me. I'll be here. You can message me. I have email. We've got the group. If you guys are part of the community, or you took the online course, you're in there like forever. And I'm going to be having more videos come out over there too, because I don't really have to edit those too much. It's just like this. I can just come on, talk to you guys, give you the information you need, and just put it in there, right? So that's going to be happening this year too. Lots going on, and it's really exciting. So I want to thank you guys for hanging around. I want to thank you guys for, if you've ever liked, watched the video, shared it with other people, all the other stuff. If you guys are in on the message and you're trying to help people, all the people who are out there showing other people how to do it, the people who are out there teaching classes. There's some of you out there setting up hydroponics in communities. There's some of you that are out there just making the things and giving them to other people. there's just so much going on that kind of started with all of this, and it just kind of blows my mind. So I'm more than grateful for everything you all have done. It's been a fantastic 7 years up till now, and I feel like we're just getting started. Alrighty, so sorry for running my mouth so long, but we haven't sat down and had a talk for a little while. I'm a little hoarse. I'm gonna have to drink some coffee and get back, start packing the rest of this stuff up, and get back to our steampunk stuff too, and in the garden. Alright, you guys, I hope that you guys had a fantastic holiday. This is gonna be a fantastic year. I know it's snowing and everything. We got spring coming up. You guys get ready. We're gonna have lots coming. Alrighty, get out there, keep on growing. Talk to you later.